एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। हम देख रहे हैं पाइथन सीरीज एंड आज के वीडियो में हम देखने वाले हैं लिस्ट कॉम्प्रिहेंशन इन पाइथन। सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज अ लिस्ट कॉम्प्रिहेंशन. So list comprehension in Python, it's a powerful way to create a new list based on the existing list or the existing list item or any iterable. That iterable can be list, string, tuple. So जब भी हमें न्यू लिस्ट क्रिएट करनी होती है अकॉर्डिंग टू द आइटम ऑफ द ओल्ड लिस्ट, that time we can use list comprehension, and it provides the single line syntax for iterating through the iterable like list, tuple, string, dictionary, any iterables that we want, and it create the new list with the element that fulfill the certain condition. So we can say the list comprehension provides shorter syntax to create new list based on the element of existing list that fulfill the certain condition. List syntax for this new list, we take one variable because we want to create new lists from our existing list. So here we write new list equal to, in a square bracket, here we write the expression for loop because we want to iterate over the sequence for item. Here in this item, instead of this item we can take any I or the variable name where as a name of that item, and in iterable, any iterable like list, tuple, string, and if condition equal to true. This condition is a optional parameter and it will return the new list if when you pass the condition, then when condition is true, then it will return the new list along with that condition. And that if condition is an optional parameter in the list comprehension. So let's see what is the mean of that expression. Expression means this is the operation that we want to perform on each and every element in our existing list. So जो भी हमें ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करना है हमारे ईच एंड एवरी एलिमेंट पे, जो भी हमारे एग्जिस्टिंग लिस्ट के एलिमेंट है, सो वी राइट हियर दैट ऑपरेशन एज एक्सप्रेशन. देन वी यूज अ फॉर लूप आइटम दैट represent the current item in the iterable, and in here we pass the any iterable that we want to iterate over, that will be list, tuple or string, anything. And here as we seen, if condition equal to true, that condition is optional. This expression that filter the item, the comprehension will be only include item for which the condition evaluate to true. When condition is true, then only it will filter the item of the existing list. So, and it's also optional parameter. So let's see the example of this. Suppose I have one list which is my old list, we can say old list, which including element 5 element, which is 1 2 3 4 and 5, and I want square of all these element. I want one new list which including the square of all element in the existing, that is old list. So I'll use the list comprehension for this. I'm creating new list equal to, here we need to write the expression because we want to square up each element. So I am writing the expression. So I am taking I as a, I is our item that hold the current item, so I square, and for I, here I am taking I in, now our iterable is old list, so here we have to pass the old list, and when we print this list, then we'll get list which containing the square of each element of the existing list. So this is our list comprehension will get. Suppose I have one more list, which is I am taking old list, which also containing the element 3 4 5 6, and I want only odd numbers from this list. So I can say I want new list which containing the only odd values from my old list. So for I I want I, because here also I am taking a I as a item to represent the current item in our old list. For I in, here also our iterable, which is old list, and now we want to pass the condition, because if our I mod 2, which is not equal to 0, return I, because we want the list which containing only odd values. So here we can see we get only odd values from this old list by using list comprehensions. So here we don't need to write any expression, because we just want this number. We don't want to perform any operation. I want just number, so that's why instead of the expression I just put write I, that element we want from our list for I in old list, and here we need to apply the condition because we want just odd number. So if I mod 2 not equal to 0, then return the new list. So this is how our list comprehension will get work. So according to this we can get the even number from the list. So that's it for this video. If you have any queries, then do let me know in the comments. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.